बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज की वीडियो में हम जो है वो राइट्स ऑफ एडवोकेट एंड प्रिविलेजेस ऑफ एडवोकेट जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू बार काउंसिल एंड लीगल प्रैक्टिशनर एक्ट के थ्रू। राइट्स ऑफ एन एडवोकेट, राइट्स टू प्रैक्टिस। एन एडवोकेट enrolled with bar council has the right to practice law in all courts, tribunals and authorities in the country subject to certain conditions. Senior advocates may have restriction not filing pleadings directly, only appearing for arguments. But this practice is not applicable in Pakistan and India. Rights of audience. Advocates have the right to be heard before any court, tribunal or judicial authority. This ensures that judges recognize their professional status and listen to their submissions. Right to enter court. Advocates are entitled to enter court premises freely for representing clients, unlike general public who may face restrictions. Right to wear robes and gowns. Advocates have the privileges of wearing prescribed dress, black coat, gown, bands, while appearing before court, signifying their professional status. Right to practice across jurisdictions. In many jurisdictions, an advocate enrolled at a bar council can practice in all subordinate courts and high courts. With special permission, for example, Supreme Court enrollment, they may also practice before Supreme Court. Right against arrest. In some jurisdictions, including Pakistan and India, advocates are protected from arrest under civil process while they are engaged in court proceedings. This privilege ensures uninterrupted performance of their professional duties. Right to dignity and respect. Courts are required to treat advocates with respect. Any contemptuous treatment of an advocate while performing professional duty may amount to misconduct by the court or authority. Right to refuse a case. An advocate has discretion to accept or decline a case, unless directed by law or court to act. Right to fees. Advocates are entitled to charge professional fees for their services. However, they cannot enter into agreement for contingent fees based on case outcomes. Privileges of an advocate. Officer of the court. Advocates are considered officer of the court and play a vital role in the administration of justice. This status gives them privileges but also responsibilities of honesty and fairness. Confidential communication. Advocates cannot disclose any confidential communication made by their clients during the course of employment. This privilege protects the client's interest and trust. Purity in court. Advocates are given purity in being heard by the court compared to ordinary litigants or non-advocate representatives. Immunity for statement in court. Advocates are given qualified immunity for statement made in good faith during court proceedings. However, this immunity does not cover malicious or abusive language. Right to meet clients in custody. Advocates have the privilege to meet and consult their clients even if they are in jail, subject to reasonable regulations. Right to participate in bar politics and governance. Advocates have the privilege to vote in bar election and become the member of bar association and bar councils.